Mercedes-Benz W211 install one go, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing, and OEM CAN bus socket plug and play. Good fitting casing. Full menu. Setting. Network internet. Turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. About device. 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. Okay, color, left right touch panel, so you can change color. Setting, system, car setting, car setting, extra setting, a password 7890. Extra setting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, scroll down to model choose. Model choose to set a CAN bus. Do a CAN bus setting. Select OD Mercedes-Benz W211, and you have to connect a Wi-Fi to update MCU. Press OK to update MCU. After CAN bus setting, steering control can use. So this is Bluetooth function. Click for the Bluetooth. Search pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After pairing, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Share your phone music to car player. File manager, USB slot got 2. USB extension will put in the drawer. aux video input and video output. Equalizer, so preset channel. Okay, this is 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing. OEM CAN bus socket plug and play for Mercedes-Benz W211. Installed by one piece. Thank you.